upon a time, in a vibrant and bustling kingdom called Flavoria, there lived a kind-hearted and talented princess named Barbie. Unlike many princesses, Barbie had a unique passion. She loved to cook. From the moment she could reach the kitchen countertops, she found herself fascinated by the magical transformation of simple ingredients into delicious meals. Her culinary skills were so remarkable that she became known throughout the kingdom as Chef Barbie Princess. Barbie lived in a beautiful castle on the edge of Flavoria, surrounded by lush gardens filled with the freshest herbs, vegetables, and fruits. The castle's kitchen was her playground, and she spent hours experimenting with recipes, always eager to learn and create new dishes. Her parents, King Gustav and Queen Isabella, supported her passion and often hosted grand feasts where Barbie could showcase her latest culinary creations. One sunny morning, as the birds chirped happily and the flowers bloomed with vibrant colors, Barbie received an invitation that would change her life. It was from the neighboring kingdom of Savoryland, ruled by King Oliver and Queen Bianca. They were hosting the Great Royal Cookoff, a prestigious culinary competition that brought together the best chefs from all the kingdoms. The winner would be awarded the Golden Spatula, a symbol of culinary excellence and creativity. Excited by the challenge, Barbie decided to participate in the competition. She knew this was a fantastic opportunity to learn from other talented chefs and to share her love for cooking with an even wider audience. With her parents' blessing and her trusty recipe book, Barbie set off on her journey to Savoryland, accompanied by her loyal companions, a talking kitten named Whiskers and a friendly parrot named Piper. The journey to Savoryland was filled with adventures. Barbie and her friends traveled through enchanted forests, crossed sparkling rivers, and climbed gentle hills. Along the way, they met many interesting characters: a wise old baker who shared secret bread recipes, a jovial fisherman who taught Barbie the art of cooking seafood, and a farmer who showed her the best way to pick ripe fruits and vegetables. Finally, after several days of travel, Barbie and her companions arrived in Savoryland. The kingdom was a feast for the senses. The air was filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread, sizzling meats, and fragrant spices. The streets were lined with colorful stalls offering all kinds of delicious treats, and people from all over the world had gathered to witness the Great Royal Cook-Off. Barbie felt a mix of excitement and nervousness as she entered the Grand Palace of Savoryland. The other contestants were already there, busy setting up their cooking stations and preparing their ingredients. There were chefs from every corner of the world, each bringing their unique flavors and culinary traditions. Barbie took a deep breath, determined to give her best. The competition was set to last for 3 days, with different challenges each day. On the first day, the contestants were asked to create a dish using only ingredients that started with the letter A. Barbie decided to make her famous Apple-Almond Tart, a delicate pastry filled with spiced apple slices and topped with crunchy almond flakes. She worked meticulously, making sure each slice of apple was perfectly arranged and the almond topping was evenly spread. As the judges tasted her tart, they smiled and nodded in approval, impressed by the harmony of flavors and the beautiful presentation. On the second day, the challenge was to create a savory dish using an ingredient that was considered difficult to cook. Barbie chose artichokes, knowing that they required skill and precision to prepare properly. She decided to make a creamy artichoke risotto, infused with garlic and lemon zest. She carefully trimmed and cooked the artichokes, making sure they were tender and flavorful. The risotto turned out creamy and delicious, with the artichokes adding a unique texture and taste. Once again, the judges were impressed by Barbie's creativity and expertise. The final day of the competition arrived, and the challenge was the most difficult yet, to create a dish that represented the spirit of their home kingdom. Barbie thought long and hard about what dish would best capture the essence of Flavoria. She decided to create a Royal Feast Platter, a collection of small dishes that showcased the diverse ingredients and flavors of her kingdom. There was a colorful vegetable salad made from the freshest produce of Flavoria's gardens, a savory herb-crusted lamb chop, a fragrant mushroom and truffle soup, and a decadent chocolate raspberry tart for dessert. Barbie worked tirelessly, pouring her heart and soul into each dish. She carefully plated the Royal Feast Platter, making sure each element was perfectly arranged and garnished. As the judges approached her station, she felt a surge of pride and anticipation. They tasted each dish, their faces lighting up with delight at the explosion of flavors. After much deliberation, the judges announced the winner of the Great Royal Cook-Off. Barbie held her breath, her heart pounding in her chest. When they called her name, she could hardly believe it. She had won the Golden Spatula.